Steam offers 6 new games you can download for free. Steam, the popular digital store for PC games, is now offering 6 new games with a mix of genres and gameplay styles for free that you can keep forever. Through this exciting opportunity, you will be able to discover new games and add them to your library without spending a dime. Off Air offers chaotic first-person shooter gameplay that offers a combination of skill and style. It takes place in an ever-changing world where you'll need to adapt quickly to survive. With its unique art style and fast-paced gameplay, Off Air is a hidden gem that's worth checking out. Mecha League, a high-speed online multiplayer game that's all about speed and strategy. With its immersive movement mechanics and grapple hooks, you'll be able to move around the entire battlefield with ease, facing new adventures. Thunder Age is a tower defense game that offers a unique gameplay style of the futuristic world where mankind has controlled power of electricity. Build your defenses and protect your base from incoming attacks in the Thunder Age. With its adventurous setting and challenging gameplay, Thunder Age is a must-play for fans of the genre. Wind Rider, an endless gliding game where you'll be able to soar through skies and avoid obstacles. With randomly generated terrain, you'll need to be quick and agile to survive and work. Play for high scores or just enjoy the ride. Either way, Wind Rider is a great way to pass the time. Little Keepers is a tower defense game designed for couch co-op. Build your defenses and work with your friends to protect your base from incoming attacks. With its colorful graphics and challenging gameplay, Little Keepers is a great game to play with friends. Above is an adventurous game that offers a challenging environment where you'll climb a mountain, testing your skills and endurance. With its beautiful graphics and atmospheric soundtrack, Above is a game that will keep you coming back for more. Can you reach the top of the mountain? There's only one way to find out.